Magic of spaghetti suction.
There are several ways of eating spaghetti. The Italian method, the polite method, but the most fun way is by sucking the spaghetti into your mouth. Provided that you are not on a first date or on an official dinner at the Queen's Palace. So let's find out, how does the magic really work? You'll be surprised to find out that when we suck the spaghetti, we are not actually pulling it in. We are simply performing an action of suction. Suction is simply the generation of a difference between the air pressure in our mouth and the air pressure outside. The difference in air pressure pushes air into our mouth until the levels of air pressure inside and outside are balanced. Spaghetti pushes itself inside, so instead of drawing air, we draw the spaghetti. We are used to the action of suction from our infancy. When a baby sucks milk from a bottle, it performs the same exact action of reducing the air pressure in its mouth and thus generating a difference compared to the external air pressure, which pushes the milk into the baby's mouth. A vacuum cleaner also works based on the same principle. At its strongest intensity, it reduces the amount of air inside the suction chamber to a minimum. Thus, the difference between air pressure inside the cleaner and outside is the greatest, and the suction, which is actually a push exerted by the air, is strongest. The same is true for spaghetti suction. As we decrease the amount of air in our mouth, air pressure drops and the difference compared to the outside is greater, and thus stronger the spaghetti suction. According to this, in a high place, like the top of a mountain, with low external air pressure, it should be more difficult to create a difference in air pressure and perform suction. While in a place as low as the Dead Sea, where external air pressure is higher, it should be easier. But in fact, these differences are negligible, so you won't feel them. So, next time you eat spaghetti, remember, you're not really a magician. You're just performing suction.